Hello everyone, welcome to the part 1 of the options basics web series here, and in this video I will be covering two basic terms which you would have seen, CE and PE, and the second one would be what is American style options and European style options. So the first option, the first point will cover a little bit about second point, and then the second point will have the basics on it. So on your broker's terminal, let's begin. Sorry. So on your broker's terminal, you will see CE and PE on Indian stock markets. This is nothing but call European and put European. What this means is in India we follow European style options. Now in America, if you would see CA and PA instead of CE and PE. And in Europe, you would actually see CE and PE. Now, so that's basically why you see call European and put European. As I told you, in India we follow European style options, and once I cover what is the difference between, you would be having a better understanding about it. Now, what is American style options and what is European style options? The concept of call and put remains the same, but the style of making it, exercising it is different in both these styles. Now, call option, as I would cover in detail in the next part or next few parts, but the American style options is exercised only, can be exercised anytime, and European style options can be exercised only during the expiry. Now, what it means is any call option or put option, whenever you buy it, you would have the option of exercising or um, exercising it into cash equivalent. That means call option itself means right to buy and put option means right to sell. So that means you would have to buy it at a particular time or whenever it is. So in European style options, it is exercised only on the day of expiry. That means if you are holding it, the call option on the day of expiry or after expiry, then you actually have the right to buy the equivalent amount of stocks for call, and for put again the same amount. Now American style options, as I told you, can be exercised anytime. That means um, you actually you can buy and sell, and the cash equivalent anytime. So that means you can exercise that call option or put option anytime. In India, we follow European style because we exercise only on the day of expiry. You have the right to actually buy that particular asset or a stock, and for that is the reason we use European style. Now, what exactly is a call option, how it works, and how a put option works is something which I will be covering in my next videos. And if some of the questions are not clear, maybe I will cover that in the next part of the video. So hope you enjoyed this video, part 1 of this web series. If you have any comments or clarifications on this, feel free to comment and ask questions, because I do read all the comments and answer them. So I will be happy to answer your queries. Thank you, and I will see you on the next part of the Option Basic series. Thank you.